Thank you. So first of all, thank you for a great day today here. It was really a lot of fun. So the question is kind of building on this whole idea of failure. And Marty, my colleague over there, and myself, we probably run about 5 sprints or something like that at this point, and we actually craving a failure. And I'm saying that because we don't actually think we're as good as the results of say that they are, because we feel like they should fail sometimes. So what are we potentially doing wrong that they actually go well? Because we go into pilots and like we're like, well, we end up having all these pilots going on and like we're not quite sure what to do with that, to be totally honest. So make us fail this basically.
Well, as it happens, I was talking to Marty at lunch. We were talking about this very topic, and it turns out you guys are doing everything wrong. No, kidding. No, actually, I was saying to Marty, like, I have run a lot of sprints, and I have had some failures where it was like the team canceled the project after the sprint, or maybe after 2 sprints. It's pretty rare, actually, that happens, and I think it's rare for, maybe for good reasons and not so good reasons. The not so good reasons, maybe people just are committed to doing something and they're going to do it no matter what. But I think the good reasons are that the humans are generally optimistic and problem solvers, and so when the first sprint fails, as it often does, when there's a lot of red, people usually are like, yeah, that didn't work, but now we really see how to make it work, and they want to push through. And usually it comes down to the things that when a project fails in a sprint and it ends in a sprint, that kills it. It's because the decider chose to pivot in a different direction, to spend their effort on something else. So they made this persevere or pivot question, and they decided that the answer was a total pivot, or just a cancellation. It really is down to the deciders that you're working with, and to also the nature of the failure. So it certainly will eventually happen if you run enough sprints that you'll have a project that fails so astoundingly on its core value proposition that the deciders decide it's beyond their threshold of perseverance, and they cancel it. That will eventually happen given enough opportunities, just like 1,000 monkeys and 1,000 typewriters, or like the works of William Shakespeare. But it's okay if it doesn't happen. Actually, I think that what usually happens with the sprint, what I feel really good about, is it gives the team a better understanding of their customer. It brings them closer to what the reason is that this product could be valuable to people, why they're doing it. And they say, okay, if we do this, we can actually make something that's meaningful. We won't waste our time building it. The thing I always feel so badly about is when people spend a long time building products that go nowhere. They waste that time. So as long as you help them with that, it's okay if it doesn't totally fail. You can feel all right about it.